Right then, not all wetlands wear the same khaki shorts. There's a whole family of them, each with its own personality. First up, let's talk about marshes. These are the ones you probably picture first. They're dominated by soft-stemmed plants like reeds, cattails and rushes. You won't find many trees here. Marshes are like a big watery meadow, and they are absolutely teeming with life, especially birds. Think of the Florida Everglades in the USA, a massive marsh that's a river of grass. They get their water from rivers, lakes or groundwater, and they can be fresh water, salt water or somewhere in between. They're incredibly productive and full of nutrients. Then you've got your swamps. Now, swamps are a bit different from marshes because they've got trees and woody shrubs. They're forested wetlands. When you think of a swamp, you might picture big moss-draped cypress trees standing in dark, still water, just like you'd find in the bayous of Louisiana. That's a classic swamp. Swamps are often found along slow-moving rivers and in low-lying areas. One of the most famous swamps in the world is part of the Sundarbans, which straddles India and Bangladesh. It's a mangrove swamp, which is a special type of saltwater swamp we'll get to in a tick. Swamps are mysterious, beautiful, and home to some big critters, including my favorite reptiles. Now let's get into the really weird and wonderful ones, bogs and fens. Bogs are like giant, spongy cushions made of peat, which is basically old, compacted sphagnum moss. They get almost all their water from rainfall, so they're low in nutrients and very acidic. Because of the acid and low oxygen, things don't decompose very well in bogs. In fact, they've found perfectly preserved ancient human bodies in European bogs. They're unique, fascinating places, often found in cooler northern climates like in Ireland or Canada. Fens are also peat-forming wetlands, but unlike bogs, they get their water from groundwater, which means they have more nutrients and are less acidic. They can support a wider variety of plants, including sedges and beautiful wildflowers. Last but not least, we have the mighty mangroves. These are saltwater wetlands found along tropical and subtropical coastlines. What makes them so special are the mangrove trees themselves. These trees are absolute legends. They can survive in saltwater. They have a complex tangle of roots that stick up out of the mud, helping them to breathe and providing an incredible nursery for baby fish, crabs and shrimp.